open for business, right? Monitor progress, plan for growth, stay compliant. And in each of them, again, we have sub pointers, and there could also be further sub. On day 129 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, we explored napkin.ai, a tool that converted your ideas into visual diagrams. But what if you want something more powerful? Something that not just creates diagrams, but also flowcharts or mind maps or presentations. Welcome to day 157 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, we are looking at Edraw.ai, an AI tool that can turn your ideas into visual structures. Let's check it out. To begin, head over to Edraw.ai and click on Try Online Free. We can use Google to log in. As always, select the account, click on Continue, and you should be all ready. So it'll ask you a couple of basic questions. I'll select some random things for now. And let's begin with AI flowchart. And we'll have to give our prompt here. I'll give some random example. Something like steps to start a small business, right? And I'll click on start. It'll take a few seconds, and there you go. The flowchart is ready. Let me click on edit in Canvas so that we can see this in a zoomed in manner. Of course, you can also edit it from here. Okay, so you can see it starts. This is where it starts. Research and plan business idea, then valid idea and plan. If yes, then go down. Choose and register business structure and name. After that, you have apply for government permits and licenses, and then arrange capital and finances, set up business systems and technologies. Then we have market and promote business, operate, and continuously improve. Of course, you can make any changes that you want using the available blocks on the left side, or you can also use some built-in themes. Okay, like if we go here, then it changes the structure. If you use this one, it changes the theme. Yeah, it takes about a couple of seconds once you select it, but it does change. Now let's see AI mind map. I'll go with the same prompt, steps to start a small business. I'll click on start, and you can see that it gives us a detailed mind map. Okay, so you can see that it starts with steps to start a small business. Identify business idea, then conduct market research, create a business plan, secure financing, register the business, set up operations, develop branding, launch marketing campaign, open for business, right? Monitor progress, plan for growth, stay compliant. And in each of them, again, we have sub pointers, and there could also be further sub pointers for the sub pointers that is already been created, right? So if you actually zoom out a bit, you can see how wonderfully it has created the mind map for us. You can also change the layout structure, you can change the topic spacing, you can customize it with themes, colors, and much more. This is the mind map as we saw. We can also go to outliner, and you can see that it comes in a pointer format, okay, which you can copy paste anywhere as you want. You can also create a PPT directly from here, okay, AI PPT, or convert current file to PPT, or import files and generate slides. Okay, let's try convert PPT. Okay, so based on whatever pointers were there, that will come here, and we can choose PPT style from here, and there you go. Let me click on start. You can filter the styles from here, you can filter the scenes from here, you can change the colors from here, okay, or you can also use readily available templates from here. I'll go with start, and this is a paid plan. Let's go back. I'll close this. We had this AI PPT, okay, which is free. So let's try this out. AI slide maker, and we can give the prompt from here. I'll give the same thing, steps to start a small business, and let's see what it does. Okay, choose PPT style, and there you go. We can also create AI diagrams. Okay, AI selection, pie charts, bar chart, and so on and so forth. So let's say business plans for the next 3 years, and I'll click on enter. So AI will select what kind of chart it might require, and you can see that we have like market research Q1, then develop business strategies Q2, launch marketing campaigns Q3, and so on and so forth. So this is the first year, this is the second year, and this is the third year. Okay. Likewise, you can also generate any kind of charts you may need. So I will go with the training program for team members, right? And I'll click on enter. Within a few seconds, it should give you the diagram. Again, we've got the same diagram because it's in the similar line. So day 1, introduction to team building. Day 2 is communication skills. Day 3 is problem solving and decision making. Day 4 is time management and productivity. Day 5 is conflict resolution and negotiation skills. Day 6 is leadership and team management. So we've covered AI mind map, AI flowchart, AI diagram. Likewise, you can try out AI slide maker. I think there is some restriction in AI slide maker in the free plan. AI file analysis is there, AI drawing, AI chat, AI image, and AI OC chart. And just like that, you can turn your ideas into mind maps, flowcharts, and much more. No need to sit for hours organizing thoughts manually. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're planning projects, brainstorming, or just trying to make your ideas look more professional. So next time you are having an idea, give Edraw a try and see how it all turns out. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.